Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable access to the control center within apps on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on control center. Next, tap on access within apps. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now see that allow access to control center within apps. When disabled, you can still access control center from the home screen. So if I switch it off and if I go into an app, say Notes, and if I try to swipe down, I cannot open the control center. So this when I swipe down, it will open up the notification center instead of the control center. Alright, so if I switch it on, and you can see in the Notes app, if I swipe down at the top here, it will allow me to open up the control center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.